Hi students, in this tutorial I will continue what is left in the previous tutorial about the basic polygon modeling. So started with the simple box and extruded boxes and created in between lines. So those techniques used. So right now working on the window moving box in this side. So moving to the other side, the same box, shift and move, duplicated the similar object. And here also, then scale it a little bit. So need to decrease the depth. So the similar one, copy the box, shift and move it down. Sorry, what's the problem? Okay, selected now, move it down. So after that you can attach it, no problem. So first of all, there is attaching now. So now the complete, the plane and the box are attached together. So I'm moving the same object to this side also. So working in the top view, so moving in this front side. Okay, select, fix with the size, the fix with the window portion. So you can use the spline technique also. The spline we having the better option to create this kind of windows. But here we do only the modeling portion. So texturing, maybe I'll teach you in the future tutorials. I'll explain how to apply textures and how to apply materials for the simple plane. So we can apply drag and drop material. So we need to change the some kind of changes in material editor. So then we need to drag and drop to the plane. So automatically the effect will we can find in rendering. So here also I'm working on the window portion. So this side. So texturing it will looks good with the basic poly also. Here this one is a not a high mesh. This one low poly. In polygon we can talk it so we can speak about the high poly and low poly mesh. High poly in the sense of more lines and more mesh, high mesh, and low poly less lines and less mesh. So if we create a low poly modeling, then we apply the textures and materials, then also it looks almost a natural look. So here I need to extrude this portion outside a little bit. So if I'm selecting all the faces, then extruding now. Okay. So next you need to add some more details. So here I showed you in the previous tutorials. So this one is the final tutorial. So you can add extra with a lot of details. You can also add it following these tutorials. So you find, so you feel better when you do any other reference model. But as per we're talking about the basic students, so first of all, you need to know all these things, how to create a basic house. Then you can go for the detail and the advanced level learning techniques. So I'm inserting option to create one more window. So in this side, so moving this vertex little bit down. Okay, so here I need to create the window. So making this one little bit upside, moving this portion. Okay, insert inside, scale it. Extrude inside. Also this one extruding little bit outside. So you can detach it. Just click on detach. Okay. Now the object, the plane, whatever the face selected object is separated now. Okay. So you can copy the similar one to that portion. So the students can start practice about this kind of a 3D polygon face modeling. The basic you can send it. Also I am sending the reference, the similar reference image, also the source file. So I will send it to you so you can check it out how the file. Maybe if in the starting maybe you'll face the problems while creating lines or while extruding faces. In extruding faces, as per we talking about the basic students, they feel little bit difficult. But once you practice more, then it feel easier. So right now I created one plane for the basic portion and top view for the ground portion. Stair portion. Okay. So it's almost going to finish the detailing part. but still you can add it more details while creating the simple box. And while creating the simple box and making the placement whichever those box needed for extra design portion. So this box I taken to this edge that design showed in reference image for that I created in box. Then it will look while applying the texturing or color combination. If the object is far, then click on P then Z. Then the object will visible near. If in some cases the object will hide in very far from the viewport, then click on P, then click on Z. Then the object will look near of in viewport. So rotating this one 90 degree. So need to look the exact 90 degree rotation. Okay, scale it this one. Actually the problem with the rotation, so while rotating, so it's not rotated exactly 90 degree. Okay, so here you can possible to change the color. So more details you can also possible to add. No need to make much details need to add for the basic students, but here also you already got how to make it, duplicating the box to other side. So that also possible to add more details. So here I am applying only the colors. For example, wooden based colors. Selecting all these objects, then applying the color combination. Click on the color, then the basic color I am applying the furniture, the wooden color. Okay, for this one also I'm selecting all these objects and selecting the similar color change. Okay, so I think you understand better about all these models, how to start and how to add details, how to extruding the face, how to create in between lines, how to insert options. So all these tools, the basic polygon tools I explained in these tutorials is almost 4 parts. So in the next tutorial I will explain much about the modeling.